Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Super Cool Kids Toys. Today we're going to be opening up these Ugglys from the Ugglys Pet Shop. This package is a Series 1 and contains 8 individual Ugglys with 2 that come in surprise bags. So let's open it up and see which ones we get. It also comes with this collector's guide so we can see which Ugglys we got. First up is Old English Sheepdog. He's a common and he comes from the slimiest category. Next one is Cheesy Chinchilla. He's a common and he's a part of the hariest category. This one is Dopey Doberman. He's a common, and he's also a part of the slimiest category. This next one is Burnt Sausage Dog. He's a common, and he's a part of the grossest category. Up next is Stuffed Staffy. He's a common, and he's a part of the smelliest category. P.U. This one is Rotten Rat. He's a rare and he's a part of the smelliest category. And now, let's open up the surprise bags. This one is Reptile. He's a common. He's part of the grossest category. And finally, we've got Ugly. He's an ultra rare, and he's a part of the stickiest category. And don't forget about the surprise poop. Yuck. And here's a look at all of our Ugglys. Let us know in the comment section which one is your favorite. And if you liked our video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks for watching Super Cool Kids Toys. We'll see you later.